Drive Guy here today, and this is part 2 of the restoration. Now it looks completely different to part 1. If you haven't seen part 1, then please look in the description, there'll be a link there. If you want to know what the caravan looked like beforehand, then I'll put a link to one of the short videos in there as well. But been very busy, we've got 1 week away from the wedding, so we need to get cracking. But yeah, let's get through what we've been up to. So this mattress isn't staying in here, we're just having it in for size, but these bunk beds have been put in with a spacer. They've also been cut down thanks to my other half's dad. My other half's mum that has made these lovely curtains, and they go throughout the whole van. Now, also, so what I've been up to, obviously that corner was completely gone, so that's been filled and painted, and this bit of wood's been put in, and this is basically so that I can put some corner pieces on the bunk beds to stop it from moving whilst in transit. My mum's dad has built this cupboard for the kids, so in there they've got a little drinks holder each side, so one there and one there, and my other half's actually painted it. I've been putting these lights in, and they're really nice. So I've just got to put in another light there and another light there. I'll put this cover on, and I'll show some before and after pictures during the filming. Cupboards handles been put on and painted. That was a nightmare. My other half had to mix this paint to make it that colour, and then it essentially, because we mixed it, we only had a day to do it. They've obviously been done. I've done the top of the table for that as well. The cushions have been upholstered. I'll do a quick before and after now, over after and all that, and then yeah, just generally painted all around. The big door is from the toilet. Put the bottom bit in there, so it's got a, it covers it over. This door is the original one. We put some new things on. But yeah, let's get to the outside. So door's been painted. These wheel arches have been done. Just roll some before and after and during pictures now on them. But yeah, they've come up quite nice. I will do these at a later date. Handles have been done. I put wood hardener inside there. Then I've put the screws in, and I've also put a little bit of mastic around, and now this is solid. I still wouldn't recommend putting on it, but yeah, that's now white. That's now painted white. I'll roll some footage on that. I don't know if I've done it in the last video, but you can see it again. So with this little strip down here, I don't know, I should have probably gone for a lighter one, but I've done one up there, and then if I get time I'm going to take that off and then put Daisy up there. And yeah, I know this desperately needed doing because it was actually back to bare metal where the old sticker had like melted off, but I'll put some pictures on how I did that. But essentially just heat gun, and then you use a scraper and get it off. It is time consuming. Obviously, as you can tell, I haven't done any of these ones yet, or this one. But yeah, nearly there. We've got a few more bits and bobs to get on with, i.e. the flooring, some more lights, and a couple of surprise things. But thank you so much for watching. If you've got any questions on how I've done any of this stuff, then please make sure you drop in the comments. Also, like I said before, the restoration videos previous will be in the description and in the comments. So yeah, hope to see you on the next one, and thank you very much, and let's get this done.